Hello guys, today's day 2. Let's install Claude. Yeah, let's create some website together. I'll tell you step by step what to do here. So we'll run our first project together today. Let's go.
Okay, let's go guys. So first of all, what we are gonna do, we will download Cursor. So Cursor is just like IDE, that's environment where you will work. So you download for macOS or for Windows or Linux if you're working on Linux. Then we'll open it up, what's there and what we are gonna do with that. Next thing, the most important one, right? So that's code installation. So you go to claude.com product Claude Code. You copy this command. It will install Claude Code for you. Then we open terminal. Don't worry, it's not so scary, I would say. Okay, let's open terminal and then you just copy paste and we click enter. For me, my Claude Code is working. Of course, it will install it and that's it. If you will find any issue here, like any errors, you just open Claude, just regular one, or ChatGPT or any other like LLM, and you just ask him what to do here. It will tell you what to do here, but in default it will work. It will open you a Claude, so it works well. Then what we are gonna do, we are gonna open Cursor from here or from your applications, it doesn't matter. So you just open it. You'll see this starting screen. That's one of my projects. So let's open new window. And then we open project here. I prepared one app here. I call it Bob AI Claude free course. So we click here and we will do our first website. My first website. Okay, good. And we open it. What we see here, so in the left part we see hierarchy, so we see folders, files, etc. So now we don't see anything here because it's empty, but we'll add something here, we'll see it. In this part we'll see what's inside, any of documents or any of files, and here we see terminal. We open terminal and here we will tap Claude. We open Claude and this folder, we will trust it, and that's our working window. If you're running this first time, you will see login session. It will ask you to go to website, to just click a few buttons and then come back. So it works very simple. I guess you will not have any issues here. Let's talk about a little bit of methodology. So you remember yesterday I told you that Claude working as an agent, right? So as an agent, when you write your text, anything in your natural language, it could be English, it could be any other language, Claude Code reads it, Claude Code picks right tool, and then Claude Code does the work. So as an agent, Claude decide the way, Claude decide the path. It doesn't matter what you want to create, what you want to do, Claude will help you with that. Now let's see how it works in action. So let's ask him, create a simple website in the folder and right there, hello world. As you see right now, what's going on right now? Right now, Claude Code just created this website in 7 seconds. Let's open it. We'll open it in the browser, just here, it will say world. Okay, that's what we asked for, right? Let's ask him to do it a very nice way, so it will looks good. So now Claude will understand what I mean, what do I want in general, of course, not really specifically, because I didn't mention any colors, anything basically about what's beautiful for me, right? So that's something beautiful inside this LLM for this LLM, but not as I described it here. So we'll wait for a while. Great. 58 seconds. It just finished. Let's reload it. Wow. Okay. So now it's even better. It's not only hello world. I don't know, it's stuff here, right? A small beginning, the first line, 2 buttons here. Okay, that's nice. Of course, it did that because I didn't specify what I to get at the end, right? So that's an issue from one of the side, but from another point of view, it looks good, right? So iteration by iteration, we can get what we want to get as much as possible. We'll get really specific result here. Now let's do something more complicated. Let's use some tools that Claude has inside it. It calls web search. Let's ask Claude, give me 5 news today, popular news for today, and then add them to my website. Okay, let's wait for it. Wow, that's really interesting. So Claude cannot fetch live news. Okay. Yes, use web search. Okay, I just got really long conversation with Claude, to be honest with you, because usually when you ask him, do that or this, you just got the result. But that's very valuable because you just saw what I'm doing in kind of cases. Download some skills, download something and use some tools inside it. And ask me, can he use that or not? I have like 3 options here. I can just tell him, yes, you can use it. Yes, you can use it and don't ask me again. And no, you cannot use it. And if I pick no, Claude will ask me like, why don't you want to use this tool or that tool? Just tell me more about like, what do you want to achieve? But here we want to use web search, and that's our goal from the beginning. We'll wait for a while here, while Claude will search for news, get something from the internet, and then add it to the website. Cool. So for 1 minute, 21 seconds, Claude did this research. He's shown me some sources where this information came from. And then if I will reload my website, I will see packed news. I mean, it looks beautiful, first of all. And then I see something regarding Ukraine. I see something about FBI, about Trump, about OpenAI. Okay, so those are some news for 29 April, and today is April 30. But it was pretty simple prompt, not really specified, and we got first results from that. So now what I want you to do, I want you to create your first website. I want you to play around with this web search function and go to school.com, to my community, and show people there what you've built today. just post it there, be inside the community. Don't build everything alone, please. You have really good source of information. You have really great people around you in the community. Everybody is building something. Everybody want to learn something new. And please be part of solo. When you're alone, it's not so interesting, first of all, and then it's not so fast from learning perspective, and context will give you even more understanding of what's going on and how to work with Claude and what to do here and what's other people doing here. So just come there. Everything, like every materials will be there. Tomorrow we'll talk more about architecture of Claude, about some basic stuff about Claude, about Claude.md, about memory.md, about like system structure of Claude itself. And we are gonna do more deep research as an agent that we are building for a content writing module. That's it for today. It was a pleasure to talk with you, to tell you more, to just show you what's going on here. It's like first steps, and see you tomorrow. Let's learn together. Bye bye.